Yeah, this is a short video about these lights that go in the freezer. You pop them out. I'll show you the refrigerator in a second, but you pop them out and you can't get them back. You can't get them to go back in. I figured out what the problem was. And I tried everything. This is the old one, but when you push them back in, you have to push this. You have to push this out of the way like that. There's a little pocket. If you don't, there's not enough room for this to go up, and you can't get it all the way in. So if you look up in there, there's a little slot. Push that to the side, and you can get it in. Also, I don't know if you can see this, but this came out of a Kenmore. It says, the number on the back is W10876279. But I had another one here. We had this refrigerator on warranty, so I'm looking. He happened to leave a replacement here. So if you need a replacement, you can get W1130208, and I got two of them for $46. I mean, it sounds ridiculous, but some people are charging $90 for these things. So this is just to help people out. And if you look close, this is the plug, and it says red. It says red and black. That's how it looks on the front. And now I'm just going to walk over to the freezer. Again, I kept trying and trying and trying. That's what I'm talking about. You can't get this up in there. So I push the wire over the slot right here. Now this plug, it's got the same issue, but I can't fix this. When you pull this plug out, you drop it and you slide it this way. And there's a bunch of wires up in here. I just cannot fix that one. But anyway, that's solve the lights. And to go one more step further, let me just step back. So all the lights were out, but if I click this switch here, two of them would flicker, just barely. This one wouldn't flicker. So with that extra bulb, I replaced that the way I just showed, and then all of them worked. I figured the switch was good because this ice maker always worked with the switch. So that's it. If your lights aren't working, it could just be one bulb, and I just went like this, and you could barely see it flicker.